my window's dirty, and I apologize for that, but got some darker clouds rolling in. Trying to hurry up and get my previous long video put together so that way I can get that up. If my freaking camera will focus, come on. Anyway, sorry about that. Now if my camera will focus, try and get my other video put together so I can get that uploaded and out of the way. Yeah. We'll see what this weather does. Got some darker clouds rolling in now. Alright, I gotta run in and take care of a few things real quick before the worst of this rolls in. Alright. Oh boy. Alright, well, we just had a branch come down. Holy crap. And I was underneath that tree too.
I'm scared.
We're okay, Nat. We're alright.
Oh my god.
Nat, we're okay. But here, let's get away from the back in case this tree decides to go down. Oh boy. Holy crap, man. Oh my gosh. Doesn't look like it dung up the fence on that, but holy crap. Or not the fence, but the roof. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. Michigan storm chasers would not lie, and that frickin' took out one of our branches. Man. Oh, sad in my truck. Probably not the best idea. Oh, crap. Too bad my frickin' radio doesn't work. Holy crap, man. We're about to get hard with rain. Oh, come on. Come on, camera. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, I cannot believe how freaking gusty it got. I mean, yeah, it was to be expected, but holy crap, dude. I better go check my AC after this is done. And the thing, too, we're supposed to get another bad storm tomorrow night. Holy crap. I was standing right in that damn near almost right underneath that tree when that branch came down. Man. Stops raining for a sec, and then the second I go to roll my freaking window down, it starts raining again. Boy. Their basketball hoop got knocked over. Oh man. camera. Don't get tangled in that. Wow. Cannot believe how bad it got. Boy. I got a bad feeling that's going to produce tornadoes. It wouldn't surprise me if I heard reports of tornadoes happening. I already know it. To think I was standing right there, right about the time that came down. When I first heard that crackling noise, I thought it was one of the other branches on the other side of the tree. I was literally running right towards the deck as that branch was coming down. That could have been a branch right above me, and I could have gotten hurt or killed. Thank you, Jesus, for watching over me. And also a thank you to my step-uncle that lives with us too, because he was shouting to get my attention. Yeah. I have something in my truck I could cut the small branches off with. Might try and do that.